Okay, so in our Python project, I will create a new Python file. I will name this Python file comparison operations. In our Python script, I will define two variables, x equals 10 and y equals 12. And for these variables, I will try to perform all comparison operations. Print x equals y, print x not equal y, print x is greater than y, print x is less than y, print x is greater than or equal y, and the last operation, print x is less than or equal y. Okay, so I will try to run our Python file. And yes, for the first operation, x equals y, we can see that it's a false. X is not equal to y, that's true. X is greater than y, that's false. X is less than y, that's true. X is greater than or equals y, that's false. X is less than or equals y, that's true.